My name is Jashanpreet Kaur and today I am going to give a video presentation on Oda Nobunaga, the Great Unifier. Here is some background information about him. Oda Nobunaga was the son of Owari domain lord known as the Oda Nobuhide. After his father's death in 1551, he became the warlord and unifying half of the provinces. His rivals were his uncle Nobutomo and his younger brother Nobuyuki. By 1559, due to his brutal strategies, he had been unified Owari under his authority. To defeat Imagawa, Yoshimoto was his first step for the unification. In 1568, he began his march on Kyoto as it was a pillar of the military. Kyoto provinces were changed into place for combat because myriad contenders, likewise great lords, petty barons, armed religious institutions, and popular confederations. Thesis statement. Although Oda Nobunaga especially identified by his brutality and greedy behavior in order to increase his realm, which depicts devil face inside a Naim character, his objective was to unify the Japan under one sword as he faced myriad obstacles. Climatic Battle of Okihazama. This battle was between Nobunaga and Imagawa Yoshimoto in 1560. As the Battle of Okihazama, however, Nobunaga struck swiftly during the torrential thunderstorm. His forces caught Yoshimoto's men in narrow gorge, prematurely celebrating their victories, unaware Nobunaga stalking them. Yoshimoto was reported inspecting shoved heads. By the end of this fight, 3,100 of Imagawa's allied troops lay dead in the bloody mat. The unconventional rainstorm attack epitomized Nobunaga's gift for unorthodox warfare. Significant contribution by Harkubus. This was between Takeda Katsuyori and Nobunaga in 1575, and his goal was to win the Nagashino castle. In the ensuing charge, Katsuyori's men were torn to pieces. However, Harkubus played an important role in his victory in order to unification of Japan. Brutality on Buddhism monks. Oda Nobunaga blamed monks for his father's death. 30,000 troops killed 3,000 monks. And von Mott Hiei in Rakuzi complex, Nagashima complex, 20,000 men, women, children were enclosed into burn, while sage 20,000 monks had starved by Nobunaga. Make all kinds entreaties, but as I want to exterminate them, root and branch with time. And conclusion. To conclude, although Oda Nobunaga was daimyo king, who mostly remembered due to his cruel, violent behavior and succeeded in bringing nearly half of the provinces of Japan under his control, as he was a self-made person whose motive to develop the unification of Japan. And here is my question to all of you, that do you think what Nobunaga did with monks was right? Here's some references and thank you.